Hey guys, today we're going to run on how to check notification on another device on Facebook. And in order for us to do that, what we have to do is to log in our Facebook application. As you can see, I had already logged in to mine, and then we are going to tap on the notifications. And in the case that we logged in our Facebook account on another device, we are going to see that notification pop up just here. And in the case that you are trying to log in to Facebook account on another device and there at the Facebook application here at the notification, it did give you a check notification on another device. The notification may come up as this type of a way as we are seeing here on my screen, and as you can see, it may say that we have sent vacation to the device that you first logged in your Facebook account on, and it might tell you to check the Facebook notification there and approve the login to continue, on which we may have to go to either our laptops or iPads to confirm this notification, or we may decide to try another way in which it will send us a code as a text message or on our email telling us to actually confirm the code that we have been sent, which may send you the email or text message in form of a code in order for you to approve your login to your Facebook account on another device. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you did learn something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.